So, what exactly are metabolic pathways? They are sequences of biochemical reactions that occur within cell. For microorganisms, regulating these pathways isn't just important; it's absolutely crucial. Why? Because these tiny organisms must respond rapidly to environmental changes and optimize their energy usage to survive in competitive and often unpredictable conditions. Microorganisms are incredibly diverse in their metabolic capabilities. They exhibit two main types of pathways: catabolism, the breakdown of molecule to release energy, and anabolism, the build of complex molecules. This metabolic versatility is what allows bacteria and other microorganisms to adapt, grow, and flourish in remarkably diverse environments, from scorching hot springs to frozen Arctic ice. Enzyme regulation. Now, how do microorganisms control all of this? The answer lies in enzyme regulation. Enzymes are the catalysts of these metabolic pathways, and their activities must be precisely controlled. This is crucial for maintaining cellular efficiency and allowing microorganisms to respond dynamically to change their environment and resource availability. Allosteric regulation. One of the most elegant mechanisms is allosteric regulation. Imagine an enzyme as a key and a substrate as lock. But here's the interesting part. Allosteric sites are secondary binding location on the enzyme. When molecules bind to these sites, they are either enhance or inhibit the enzyme's activity. This allows cells to finely tune enzyme function based on their current needs, a true sophisticated control system. Covalent modification. Another crucial mechanism is covalent modification, precisely photophosphorylation by adding or removing phosphate groups from enzymes. Cells can rapidly turn metabolic pathways on or off. That enables microorganisms to respond swiftly to environmental signals and adjust their metabolism in real time, perfect for survival in fluctuating conditions. Genetic regulations. At a higher level, we have genetic regulation. This involves a mechanism like operon model, which you may have learned about in the context of the famous lac operon in E. coli. The system controls whether genes are transcribed into proteins in the first place, allowing microorganisms to adaptively respond to the environmental stimuli with remarkable efficiency. Feedback inhibitor. Let me introduce a concept called feedback inhibitor. Imagine if your body kept making amino acids endlessly, you'd waste enormous amount of energy. Feedback inhibitors is the elegant solution. When the end product of the pathway accumulates, it signals the first enzyme in the pathway to shut down. This prevents wasteful overproduct and conserves valuable cellular resource. Feed forward activation. Now, sometimes cells need opposite effect. Feed forward activation occur during glycolysis, where an intermediate product actually activates the next enzyme in the sequence. This speeds up energy production precisely when the cell has abundant substrate available. Global regulations. At more sophisticated level, microorganisms employ global regulation system like catabolic repression. Here's a practical example. If a bacterium has access to both glucose and lactose, which should it use first? And the answer is glucose because it's more efficient. Catabolic repression ensures that microorganisms prioritize the best energy source, maximizing their survival odds in competitive environment. The summary of key mechanisms. So the summary to summarize, there are four types of metabolic regulations: feedback inhibitor, feed forward activation, covalent modification, and genetic regulation. Each plays a crucial role in maintaining metabolic efficiency and allowing cells to respond appropriately to their circumstances. Biological adaptation. This remarkable ability to regulate metabolism is why microorganisms are so successful. They exhibit incredible adaptive trait that allows them to survive in virtual virtually any environment, from human gut to deep ocean vents to toxic waste sites. This adaptability ensures ecological balance and remarkable resilience in nature. Industrial applications. And here's where it becomes practical for us. Understanding microbial metabolism isn't just academic, in industrial biotechnology, we deliberately manipulate these metabolic pathways. We engineer microorganisms to produce antibiotic, biofuels, and other valuable compounds efficiently in bioreactors. By optimizing metabolic regulations, we can manufacture medicine and sustainable foods at scales. In conclusion, metabolic pathway regulation is the secret language that allows microorganisms to survive, adapt, and innovate. It is critical not only for understanding how life works at the microscopic level, but also for harnessing that knowledge to solve real world problems in medicine and industry. Thank you for your attention. I hope this has given you a deeper appreciation for the hidden complexity and elegance of microbial life.